Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect and analyze the latest and greatest in home innovations. Today, we're diving into the Moen Engage Spot Resist Brushed Nickel Magnetix 6-function handheld showerhead. Let's see if this showerhead lives up to the hype. Alright folks, let's kick things off by talking about design. The Moen Engage boasts a sleek and modern aesthetic, perfect for any contemporary bathroom. Its spot-resist brushed nickel finish not only looks elegant but also resists fingerprints and water spots, keeping your shower looking cleaner for longer. Now, what really sets this showerhead apart is its functionality. With 6 different spray settings including massage, relaxing massage, wide coverage, rinse, downpour, and intensify, you'll never get bored in the shower again. Plus, the 5.5-inch diameter spray head provides maximum water coverage for a truly luxurious experience. But wait, it gets even better. The Magnetix magnetic docking system allows for effortless detachment and reattachment of the handheld showerhead. No more struggling with finicky mechanisms, just snap it on and off with ease. And thanks to its innovative design, the showerhead always docks facing forward, preventing any exterior splashing outside your shower. And let's talk about flexibility. The Moen Engage features a long kink-free metal hose that extends reach and flexibility, so you can easily maneuver the showerhead wherever you need it. Whether you're rinsing off after a workout or bathing the kids, this showerhead has got you covered. To wrap things up, the Moen Engage Spot Resist Brushed Nickel Magnetix 6-function handheld showerhead is not just your average showerhead. With its stylish design, customizable settings, easy installation, and innovative features like the magnetic docking system, it's truly a game-changer for any bathroom. Say goodbye to boring showers and hello to the ultimate shower experience. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy showering!